The Nike SB Orange Label series continues to represent the heart of skate culture, focusing on clean design, premium materials, and performance built specifically for skaters. For spring 2026, Nike SB expands the lineup with the SB Dunk Low Pro Outsole Burgundy Crush, a release that stays true to the no-frills Orange Label philosophy. The shoe features a rich burgundy suede upper that covers the entire silhouette, delivering a bold yet wearable look. Matching burgundy tones appear on the tongue, laces, and inner lining, creating a strong and cohesive color story. A black swoosh adds sharp contrast on the sides, while a white midsole breaks up the darker shades for a balanced finish. Underfoot, a classic gum outsole, provides reliable grip and board feel. Subtle orange branding on the tongue and insole ties the pair back to the Orange Label identity. Seen via sbheadsbe, this sample highlights Nike SB's ongoing support of core skate shops. The SB Dunk Low Pro Outsole Burgundy Crush is expected to release at select skate shops in spring 2026.